what does the shift to mobile and some design changes with maybe less text, more visible, what does that mean for SEO?
I think that from the perspective of usability, the usability is key for the mobile part. I think that you sure want to serve your content the same way you're serving your desktop content in terms of how much content you're serving, but you have to lay it out differently in the way that the behavior of the user is different in the mobile and the desktop. So usually users scan a lot of the content. One of the things that I found that is really interesting is to move from those subtitles that are the step 1, step 2, or to something a lot more compelling into complete headline that leads people to understand scanning faster. So it's not necessarily that you serve less content, it's that the content that you serve, it has to be laid out in a way that people can scan it faster. And that is one of the things that it serves a lot for the SEO perspective, from the SEO perspective, because you're not changing anything for the crawler to see what's the quality of the content, but the user is able to understand the content a lot better in the different devices.
Just to add to that as well, Google came out and said, I think July, that if you're running responsive web design, you don't have to have the same content on the desktop as you do on the mobile. Most people do because that's just usually how it's done by default. And to your point, right, people can use mobile and consume that content differently, and usually with a specific objective, because the time on mobile device is very short, and the attention spans are very short. And so if you have a piece of content, you can essentially truncate it into the most important parts, right, distill it down, and then obviously it serves the mobile user experience a little bit better. They also said as part of that announcement that they judge the relevance of mobile sites based on the content that appears on the desktop site. So we don't have to worry about things like serving same content across device.
I want to thank you guys for being here. I want to thank all our panelists for taking the time.